This hidden gem will leave you speechless. Welcome to Santorini, a place where crisp white architecture contrasts the endless blue of the Aegean Sea. Imagine waking up to the glow of sunrise kissing the cliffside, while the bells of tiny chapels ring softly in the breeze. Savor the freshest seafood in waterfront taverns with flavors that'll transport your soul. Feel the cobblestone streets beneath your feet as vibrant bougainvillea drapes over pastel-tinted walls. Soak up breathtaking views from a sunset cruise. Here, every golden hour feels like pure magic. Pro travel tip: skip the crowds of Oya and head to Pyrgos village for a serene experience. Best time to visit? Late spring or early autumn for perfect weather minus the bustling tourists. Pack your bags. Paradise is closer than you think. Subscribe now and join Destination Travel for more hidden gems around the world.